What happens when a defendant with nearly a decade of prior conviction stands before a judge and tries to explain yet another arrest? And what happens when another defendant, accused of driving 3 times over the legal alcohol limit, faces a life-changing court order? In this courtroom hearing, the judge confronts repeat offenders, challenges their excuses, and delivers tough warnings that could determine their future. Stay until the end to see the surprising bond conditions, the judge's blunt reaction to a lengthy criminal history, and the decision that leaves everyone in the courtroom paying close attention.
I have written down here the jail in Louisiana.
So,
So
Langston, you're representing, could you find out what the status is
Yes,
on
I can
that
do
one? And I'll reset it for review in a couple of weeks.
No problem. I can do that.
Beer. Travis Glenn Lewis Beard. And you were here with your attorney, Mr. Adams. You're charged, as you know, with burglary of a building.
Yes, sir.
you're right.
Okay. Well, you're pretty consistent on the state jail felonies. The indictment has several state jail felonies here. And here's another one. I don't know how you figure out just to commit a state jail felony, but because all of these are behind it, it's no longer punished as a state jail felony. How many prior convictions are in this indictment,
About 9.
sir?
About 9.
Because you would know. Is that your final answer?
Yes, sir.
10. You don't even know how many convictions you have. And I'm a stranger. I just looked at this for the first time.
Yes, sir.
You've lived with your life here since 76, and you don't even know how many final convictions, because there's so many. Now it's a burglary of a building, which is not the first time. Looking at 6 prior burglary buildings convictions.
Served.
Hmm?
I served almost.
Yeah, that's not the point. The point is you're not learning anything. Oh, have you?
Sure, I think
Wait,
I
wait,
do.
Okay, wait, you committed one and were convicted, then committed a second one, third one, well, you convicted, and you're learning your lesson?
No, I'm saying.
You're not supposed to commit crimes. Why don't you just follow the rules?
I was in these conditions during I was homeless,
You got an excuse. You're gonna, no,
That's
all right.
Himself, I was shouldn't.
All right. You're the excuse maker. We all have responsibilities, and the most important one is not to commit crimes and respect others, their personal life and their property, which you fail to do by committing burglaries. But that's not all you commit. Unauthorized use of motor vehicle. 2 of those. That's the second most expensive thing anybody owns. And then you got a state jail felony of theft, and then now burglary of a building. And somebody else has to pay for this now. That always got out of this.
No, Judge,
Oh.
there's
So why are you committing crimes?
I think you mix this crime, sir. I swear to God.
You swear to God.
I swear to God.
Okay.
All I was doing is.
Let's see. When I turn around, I saw. This is on Knoll Street in Fort Natchez, where if you're going to commit crimes, you shouldn't commit crimes in cities where everybody knows everybody. And you're riding up and down storage units and turn the corner, observed this person, let's see. You were carrying a small yellow case containing knitting material. You knit?
No,
Okay, so that's not true.
no, that's true. I had that. But I got it out of the dumpster. I didn't give that to nobody.
This unit was also in the same area. It's a duty beard without consent of the owner entered a building. Not open to the public with intent to commit a felony. He was arrested for burglary of the building. So you didn't do
I
anything.
didn't steal nothing.
What are you doing there?
I was waiting on a girl to come pick me up. And
Okay.
while I was waiting on her.
Okay, is that all you want to say?
No, sir.
What did they tested the controlled substance on you for methamphetamine. Where are you getting the methamphetamine?
I ain't getting it.
It miraculously appeared in your possession.
No, it was just.
It was a mystical event. All right, what are we doing next? We're not going to waste time.
Judge, there's
Is this
new cases in receive status that have the labs in now. We're waiting on those to be indicted.
okay?
If we could have 4 to 6
Let's
weeks.
just bond on
that.
that, please.
Write it down.
It's going to brace. It's going to rise. It's woefully insufficient. Your criminal history and the circumstances of this are terrible.
$30,000
Yeah, it's 60.
of the drug patch.
You have your drug patch on?
Yes, sir.
Let me see it.
Looks like we increased his bond back in March, Judge,
From what?
from $6,000 to
Okay.
$30,000.
Okay. All right. Some new charges are coming out.
Yes, Judge. We have the labs on everything. They're just waiting to go to grand jury.
Okay. Well, when those come out, the bonds will be pretty high. Just get ready and follow your attorney's advice and get with the court when those get indicted. Okay, so I can set those bonds if they are indicted.
Yes, Judge.
Get a resetting. All right, on Anthony Taylor, Mr. Taylor, that's you?
Yes, I'm a student. Yes, sir.
That's okay. This looks like a dress, I know. You're charged seriously, though, with a
Yes, sir.
third-degree felony of operating a motor vehicle while intoxicated because you have 2 prior felon DWI convictions. Every time you get caught, it's a third-degree felony, and it'll keep adding up.
Now, hey,
And
all the night was-
well, but you made a promise the first time back in '86 that you wouldn't get caught again doing that. So it was '86 you were convicted, and '96 you were convicted. Thank you, man. And then now you've got this charge, and it looks like the blood alcohol test showed that you were 3 times the legal limit. 3 times the legal limit of intoxication. This is a 4,000, 5,000 pound missile that we operate around town, and it has to be operated responsibly,
Yes.
soberly. And when you're doing this, you're just thinking about yourself and getting intoxicated. But too often we have people in here who we have to struggle with because of the emotion and the weeping and crying because their relatives were killed in a car wreck.
Yes,
And generally, it's because of operating motor vehicles while intoxicated. So we're sensitive about it. So you're looking at up to 10 years in prison here. You know that. Oh, you know that. That's what It's no less than 2 nor more than 10 years confinement in prison. Okay. Mr. Adams is here, representing. What are we going to do today?
Judge, I just wanted to move this from the initial setting to the announcement. I did download the discovery.
Okay.
Just one of my concerns with him is that he's 70-year-old man, and I do believe
What's wrong with that?
Well, no, that's not bad. Yeah, I think that he's starting to
It's very close. It's so sensitive.
No, I think that he's starting to show some of the earlier signs of dementia in talking with his family. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 of his siblings here with him today, and that's going to be one of the things that I kind of want to deal with.
What are we doing about right now?
Right now, he's not driving.
Is that right?
To my understanding, he's not.
You don't drive a vehicle. You're not. I'm not talking about just today, but okay. Then that's what we're going to do. Order you not to operate any motor vehicle unless this court approves it. Do you understand, sir? That means somebody else is going to have to drive you. So we're going to walk or ride a bike.
Yes.
Okay.
But that's an order of the court as a condition of your bond. If you get caught driving, even if you're not intoxicated, violating a bond means your bond can be revoked. And then you could sit this thing out in jail until we get it down to resolving this one way or the other. But that's the safest thing. Somebody's going to have, until we can get this all worked out and smoothed out so that it's a safe environment for all of us, you cannot operate a motor vehicle. Do you understand? That's a condition of your bond, and it's on the record. And we'll alert the bondsman about that new condition.
And I think we're going to resolve it, Judge.
All right. Get a resetting, then normal resetting. Thank you.
Just go right there. She's going. Thank you, Judge. Let me get to Mr. Computer.
I think you're busy this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, Don.
Yes.
John G.
Cases like these show how one decision can change a person's future forever. From repeat burglaries and drug allegations to serious DWI charges, every courtroom appearance carries real consequences. If you enjoy real courtroom moments, judge reactions, and true crime court proceedings, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. We upload new courtroom cases regularly, and the next one might be even more shocking than this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next case.